Alright, so we pulled up at the property once again, the other one. Meet with the plumber so they can mark these lines and everything. We got the whole family with us.
Yes! Now I can work! That is work.
Howdy.
So, I think your water is right there. Don't fall in that hole. I think that's your water box and your sewer clean out's over yonder. So, you know, if you're gonna be working here, you'll want to get a water meter. You know, and I can come hook you up with temporary water up out of the ground so you can have water for your concrete and your bricks and whatnot.
Okay.
But you get the meter here, and then I can come do that, you know. And that's probably your first step, you know, with all your permits and everything else.
Okay. Now just going to the water company and...
Yeah, I mean, to start, I mean, are you doing all the work yourself?
No, I'm
Okay, then
contracting.
Yeah.
Most of that.
Okay. Well, the meter start would probably still be on you to do that, and I mean, to deposit. And yeah, once you get the meter here, I'll get you water, and that way they can have water to do their stuff. And then when you get your plan, you know what I mean? We could put sleeves through any of your footers into the foundation so that we're just ready to go right out. Water, sewer.
Okay, so how to...
And then you give me a set of prints, and I can give you a price on what everything will cost.
I mean, you can explain to them a little bit because you're the one designing it.
Well, the house layout is 16 feet this way, 50 feet this way, and 2 bathrooms on either end of the house. So this side is a small bathroom with just a toilet, sink, and a small shower. That side is a full bathtub, sink, and toilet. Yeah. And in the middle of the house is the kitchen.
Kitchen sink, washing machine,
Yes, in the
water
middle.
heater, couple hose bibs.
Well, the water heater.
We're doing tankless
Okay.
hot water
Right.
heater.
Okay.
Right.
Do you have a set of prints that we could get a copy of?
We have to print it, or you want to email
You could email it to our shop. You have our shop email, or do you want? You can call our office
and
and
get
give it
the
to them,
email?
and then yeah.
Okay.
If you give me a set of prints, I can give you a good quote on, you know, cost of what it's all going to cost.
Okay.
And then generally we'll do like 30% down, 50% up on the rough end, you know, and then once you get it ready to set fixtures, the last 20%.
So this is my first time doing a new construction build.
Okay, and that's what I was going to ask you if you were ever done with that in the city, because first thing you'll want to do is get your silt fence around, and then get your stormwater box.
Okay, stormwater silt fence.
And the city might be able to help you with all that too, you know what I mean? But at least that way, you're not going to catch any flack from anybody saying, hey, you're doing construction here and you don't have the right stuff.
Now, would that be more on my
Your contractor would handle all that.
my people
Yes.
to do my foundation and everything?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. But make sure you talk to them about that, because sometimes they don't want to do it, and you'll have to hire. And there's a couple companies that do it. You know, you've seen them around when they do a job like this. They'll want to see a porta potty on site, a silt fence around it. You know what I mean? And then your water, you know, have you a nice temporary water so that the concrete guys can get all the work that they need done. You know, and yeah, we'll just go from there. It'll be your footers, your block work, and then get it framed up, and then we'll come plumb it, and then you'll be sheetrock and trim it out.
Okay. Well, it'll be a little bit different because the building is a prefab building.
Okay.
And so they have the foundation, and then they're gonna bring it out and set it. Then.
Okay. Well,
So it's pretty much the same thing.
it won't. Yeah, that'll be the same to me. Yeah. That's the same thing. Instead of framing it on site, it's gonna be just they'll do the foundation and then
The whole building.
and just assemble it.
Yeah. And then you come in, and so you had a problem on your lines with like that getting underneath there?
No.
Okay.
I mean, just touch base with me when the foundation guy is here.
Okay.
Because if I need to put a 6-inch sleeve for the sewer line and a 2-inch sleeve for the water line in through his footer, so we're under the house, then I'm fine. Once I'm under the house, we're good to go.
Gotcha. Yeah, I didn't want to do it, and then you had to do your part. You'd be like, oh, we need to you know.
Yeah. And then you got to dig under a footer and stuff. No, I'd rather I'll work right alongside with you. You let me know what phase you got going on, and if you think I need to be over here, and I'll come right on by and we'll take a look at it and see. Like I said, you get your water meter, and I'll get you hooked up.
Okay. So you make a note, call them, see how much it's gonna cost, and it's easier because it was already pre-existing, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
Cool.
Yeah. There's no tap fees or anything. Your sewer's already there, and your water's there. Once they bring the water meter, we'll just have a temporary water hookup. You'll be able to start construction.
Okay. And you just need to send over that the blueprint of the house?
Yeah. And email us a print with the so I can count up all the fixtures, and then I'll get you a price on an estimate of what it'll cost, and I'll email y'all an estimate.
Okay.
Does it have to be an official blueprint, like from an
No.
architect? Okay. I'm just asking.
The city don't
I'm
ask
just
for
making.
it.
I'm just making sure.
You can get a city a drawing.
Right,
They
and
say give us a hand drawing with the walls and everything, but you know.
I'm just asking. I don't know what your company requires.
I don't need official. All I really need to count, you know. I don't even need this person, you know, because it's a wood floor. You know what I mean? On a slab, you want to know where everything is at, so that way you can plan it all out. But on a wood floor, once it's here, then I'm gonna come in and plumb it.
Gotcha.
In and out. Say it be done in 2 days. Nah.
Well, if it's as cut and dry like they're saying, I mean, I could have one done in in about 3 days.
So this project might go faster and smoother than the already built house.
Yeah, that's the goal. The sooner we get them done, the sooner we can
Yeah.
go to the next one. Yeah. It's good for everybody, right? All right, sounds good. I'm glad to hear that. So, got that and that.
Yeah, the clean out right there. Down there. You poured it right at this rock, so I'm guessing this is good.
Okay.
It's not very deep, but ground's working with us, so we're fine.
Yeah, because it slowed down. Oh, no, are these the lines that what's the name of that company? 8?
This is a gas line.
Oh, okay. Because one day supposed to call you to come out and just
The 811
811?
folks.
they supposed to come out and mark the lines. Do we still need to do that?
We don't need to do that right now because your 811's got to be done within a week of when we do the work. So when we do the utility work to run the line from here to the house and run the water line from there to the house, we'll locate it all then.
Okay. Because they were saying
And that just covers you for making sure that there's nothing running in your yard that you hit.
yeah, I was told, I'm learning the process to go ahead and call them out because they may be behind and everything.
They get here within 3 days now.
Okay.
And with them, you want to have it within a week of whatever work you're doing. So, I mean, when your foundation guy goes to dig, he'll call them.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
Sounds good.
Yes, sir.
So the next step with you is get you those plans.
Give me the plans, and then when you get a water meter here, because that's the first thing any concrete guy or footer guy is going to ask for. I mean, they're going to want some kind of water.
Okay.
I mean, they can just borrow it from a neighbor's house if you talk to a neighbor that's got water, but it's easier for you to just go ahead and get a water meter.
You got to get it anyways.
Mm-hmm. Well, throughout the construction phase, yeah, you'll just need it.
All right. You got anything else?
Nope. I'll get you that email today.
Appreciate it.